One last thing to do. What do we got left? Oh, we got toms and we got the distortion track. So let's run the distortion track. How silly is that? That just sounds ridiculous, but it's cool. I like it. I think I'm taking some brightness out for sure. Last thing I'm going to do, and then we're going to move on from the drums for a little bit, is I am going to, I think, bring the panning in on the cymbals a tiny bit. So let's check that out. Cool. That gels it together a little bit more for me. I felt like it was a little too wide. Wide drums are overrated. Mono drums are cool. I've been, ironically, like for a long time, it was all about making this really wide drum kit sound, and now I'm more about like making it more powerful in the center. Whatever. That'll change next week. So, oh, we haven't done the toms. Let's find a spot. Let's find a spot where we can loop the toms and see what we got. Toms already sound good. I'm just going to add some top, and I think I'm going to change the bottom end characteristics of the two on the, maybe add a little more on the floor. Sounds good.
Cool.
What do we do there? Added 2 dB of 100 on the rack tom. Added 4 dB of 3K on the rack tom and 7 8K. We added 6 dB of 7K in a bell, and the top and bottom EQ are not shelf; they're in bell. Same on the other side. The only difference on the other side is I added 2 dB of looks like 5K, and instead of 100K on the bottom or 100 hertz, we added 4 dB of 50 hertz. That sounds good.
Cool.
Any thoughts on that, Deb?
Sounds cool.
I'm not going to put any compressors on the toms for a couple reasons. If I was doing it in the box, I probably would, but it doesn't feel like it really needs it. Danny hits really consistently and strong, so we're going to leave that alone for now. Yeah, I think we're probably in pretty good shape on the drums. What should we move to next? Bass?
Bass.
Bass.
Build that house.
Bass is next.